Hmm. Okay, start.
Welcome to, ladies and gentlemen, one the International Cricket Tournament 2015 the Grameenphone Cricket Cup, Bangladesh and Zimbabwe, the Mirpur Sherabangla Stadium, Dhaka. Dhaka is a very beautiful city. Bangladesh is green and green. The nature is very fine and weather condition is very beautiful. The temperature are 30 degrees Celsius. Won a toss, the Zimbabwe's captain Andy Flower and the Bangladesh captain Mushfiqur Rahim on the toss and decided to bat first. Cover, extra cover, mid-on, long off, deep cover, backward point, gully, fine leg, west mid-on, short cover, short fine leg, short gully, short mid-on and short long off. Bangladesh, the batting career captain Mushfiqur Rahim, Sharir Nafis, Tamim Iqbal, Mohammad Ashraful, Nasir Hussain, Abdul Razzaq, Shakib Al Hassan, Shadat Hussain and Mashabi bin Murtuza. Zimbabwe's batting career captain Andy Flower, Grant Flower, Stuart Carlyle, Neil Johnson, Hamilton Masakaja, Brandon Taylor, Tathinda Taibu, Graham Krima, Chikamboro Heathstick and James Catley. Zimbabwe's captain Andy Flower is a very disciplined on the fielding side, offside the 5 fielders, onside the 4 fielders, 1 fielder is stood. Wicketkeeper Nathan Astel, the first one slip Graham Krima. And Bangladesh, the opening batsman Tamim Iqbal and Sharir Nafis. Strike to Tamim Iqbal, non-strike to Sharir Nafis. Zimbabwe, the fast bowler James Catley. Lovely ball into the off stumps. Tamim Iqbal onside the magnificent shot just to the cat 6. Tamim Iqbal, 1 ball the 6 run. High hands of the maximum of the cat 6. Tamim Iqbal. Bangladesh, the bats of batsman Tamim Iqbal. It's a very sensible batting. Another ball, James Catley. The beautiful ball, the middle stump. Tamim Iqbal has a beautiful straight drive just to the 4 runs. Welcome to the second boundary, Tamim Iqbal. 2 ball of the 10 runs.